Today, I want to talk about innovation since ito na yung new ano natin, no? Um, dito sa Tanay. No? Innovation is the process to creating new ideas, products and methods that brings about the significant improvements or solve problems in unique ways. In our journey into the future, let us embrace technology as a tool for positive change. Sa tulong po ng ating DOST RAIN project at ng Beacon USAID at siyempre ang ating buting Mayor Lito Tanwatco ng Tanay Rizal, MGRP, partner natin. Malaking challenge ito para sa Tanay Upland na magkaroon tayo ng internet connectivity para sa ating mga mag-aaral. Let's leverage it to solve the global challenges to promote inclusivity and foster creativity. Para sa lugar na walang kuryente at walang telco signal, malaking tulong ang Project Rain para makapag-produce tayo ng engineer, doktor, at iba pa. As we navigate the digital landscape, let us architect of a future where technology serves humanity, making our lives richer, our connections deeper, and our world sustainable. Hope, sana na umaasa kami or nandito kami ni MGRP support para po lumawak pa yung ating Project Rain. Napakarami, napakalaki ng Gida area ng Tanay. Nakasupport po kami sa ASTI Rain Project. Malaking karangalan po na maging bahagi kami ni MJRP na proyekto ng ating bayan ng Tanay Rizal. So, salunga sa magandang Tanay, hane. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Mr. Bayo. Okay. Now from USAID Better Access and Connectivity Team, serving as the ICT Infrastructure Team Lead, it is my honor to introduce to you Engineer Mel Lambon. Let's give her a warm round of applause.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. And well, first of all, congratulations. Congratulations to Project Rain, Director Franz, of course, Engineer Martinez, and the team, Pinky, and of course to Mayor Rafael Tanwatco, to our connectivity partners, John Floyd Bayo, and Engineer Melvin Pialago, and of course our DOST colleague, Director Fernando Ablasa. So, masaya po kami no, sa USAID Beacon Project kasi yung pong success talaga ng community network initiatives, not only by DOST ASTI, but also meron din po kami kasing community network na initiative. So, yung pong trabaho ng ASTI at saka ng USAID Beacon is only to give catalytic support, pero yung ownership talaga and yung sustainability, nakasalalay po yun sa host LGU. And we're so happy that si Mayor Tanwatco talagang inangkin niya yung project at hindi niya tayo iniwanan. Sabi niya nga kanina, salamat kasi kasama pa rin natin, sama-sama pa rin tayo. And yun po yung, sa amin po, yun po yung pinakagusto namin. Yun po yung kasi mag-i-spell ng success ng lahat ng government initiative. So, congratulations po sa ating lahat kasi ang natatouch po natin dito sa maliit na project natin ay 250 households, no? 250 household po yung nakapaligid dito sa San Andres School, no? And meron po silang 222 students. And napuntahan namin talaga sila. Wala talaga silang other means of communication, no? Kaya malaki po yung, maliit ang ating project pero malaki yung impact. At yun po yung natutuwa kami kasi alam namin that with our partners, dalawa po yung ating ka-partners doon. With their partnership, we're sure na masusustain natin, no? Kung ano man yung initial gains. At sabi nga ni Engineer Melvin, gusto pa nilang i-expand, no? And I'm sure si Engineer John Floyd, ganun din ang gusto niya. Iko-connect natin ang buong Tanay. Okay. So, kami po as development partner, the USAID Beacon Project remains committed, no, in supporting the Philippine government to advance digital development toward our shared aspiration of providing meaningful connectivity to every Filipino, one community at a time. Toward this end, we will continue to collaborate with and support DOST ASTI in ensuring the sustainability of the other two community networks in Niabi, Dupax del Norte, and Inagay, Atok, Benguet. Marami pong salamat.